Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily use YouTube on your Android device. So for doing this you just need to go to Play Store. So just find here Play Store, just open it. And in Play Store you need to write in search tab YouTube. So after you will see YouTube, so just click on it. Here you can see that I see here on right side you can see open button. It means that I successfully download and install it. So you will see here get button, so just click on get and it will successfully download and install this app on your mobile phone. So this is a way how you can do it. So after you just click on open and it will successfully open YouTube and you will be able to use it on your phone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.